Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a closet tour. So let's get started. So before I show you guys my new and improved Disney closet, I was going to show you guys a few of the new things that I added to my room. So let's just get right into it. So starting off, of course, over here by my door, I recently just added this little pennant Disney quote that I got from the Disney store, and it actually holds Disney pins, so I need to add some more Disney pins to it, but I recently just hung this up right above my jewelry box here, just to kind of help fill the space. So now moving over to my desk. So whenever I redo my room, I always like pick a theme and put all of those items out. So my birthday was recently, so I still have my birthday shelf out and all my birthday items out. You guys will see here in a minute. And my other theme I chose was kind of Disney parks, Tokyo Disney, and Disney food. So it's mainly all of my favorite things I wanted to have out for my birthday. So let's take a look. Starting off over here, we have a little Tokyo Disney shelf with all my little foods. Above that, we have some more foods. This is one of my favorite popcorn buckets right now. I absolutely love the little foods at the Disney parks. We have some more of those all the way around. Over here on the other two side shelves, we have some more foods and some more Tokyo Disney stuff like little buttons and fun little charms and things. We also have all of my Sharpies because I love to doodle, and I actually put them in this little Tokyo Disney little food tray along with some of my favorite little keychains here. And then I have some more birthday items, Vinylmations, other fun little summery birthday items. And then moving over here to my display case, we have my birthday ears on top and my Mickey balloon popcorn buckets. And we have my birthday shelf. This has my birthday buttons, my birthday Tsum Tsums, Mickey birthday items like sippers, little scented plush and keychains all around. And then below that we have my kind of like Alani summer shelf. I didn't get to put this out earlier in the summer when I had all my Pixar stuff out, so I decided to put it out now. And then of course we have my retro shelves. Just a quick look at those. So before we finish up the rest of my room, let's head into the closet. And then we have all my jewelry. We have all of my earrings, some other fun little figures just kind of hanging out, other little necklaces and things. And then we have hung all of my lanyards from all of my YouTube conventions, some other Disney lanyards, cast member lanyards, all that fun stuff. Turning around here, kind of looking back into my room, I have all of my Mickey ears hung up on the wall and kind of like behind the door here. So they're all hanging. I absolutely love how I can see them. So I've looked up so many ideas on how to hang Mickey ears. I just don't know how to hang them. And I found these little 3M clear hooks, and I wrapped the actual little band of the Mickey ear around one ear and then up onto that hook so you can actually see them and they're not all damaged or ruined or anything. I also did something kind of similar with the same hooks. I also hung my Minnie ears, which I'll show you guys in a second, but I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I wrapped a hair tie around the center so it wouldn't damage the actual bow or ears, and then I clipped it to the little clear hook. So that's a nice cheap little DIY, great way to hang all of your ears. Look at this! I am in love with this, and there's plenty of space. I can still collect many more ears, but I love how you could easily just pick out an outfit, pick out your ears for the day, and you're ready to go. You guys can see right here, I have those little hair ties in there. Right below the ears, right behind my door, I have that mirror that was actually on my door before, and I have all my Disney buttons on it all over. I love to change these out a lot depending on the season or anything. Now turning into the rest of my closet, we have all my clothes hanging here on like little double shelves. And then walking in, we have two sets of little shelving units. And I'm just going to start here at the bottom and work my way up. Here on the bottom, I have all my giveaway items. I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways on here and on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. On the bottom of this one, I have all of my Disney keychains. Pulling out this bin, we have all my Disney buttons. Next up, we have my Walt Disney World bin. Moving up, we have my Tokyo Disney items. And this next bin has all of my gachapons. Moving back over here, we have some Disney sweatshirts. These next sets of shelves are for my more fragile stuff I cannot put in bins, stuff that I cannot put out on display in my room right now. These are just some other figures, glass, little mugs, ornaments, other little more fragile figures that I don't want to get damaged or are in like oddly shaped little packages. Moving up past those, we have my bin of Duffy clothes. Next up, we have figures and vinyls. Over here we have some more items that I can't really put in bins and just kind of look cute on the shelves. And we have all of my Tsum Tsum figures back there. And we also have all of my like Toy Story 4 Happy Meal toys and other retro ones I've collected from Comic-Con. Moving up again from the Duffy items, we have all of my itty bitties and all of my Disney Doorables. And then on this other shelf we have my pin book, and behind it are just some of my Disney backpacks. And lastly, around the top shelves of my room, we have all of my popcorn buckets and sippers. I'm so excited that I can show you guys this now. I can show you guys how I organize stuff. A lot of you guys have said that you have started collecting or you would like to be a collector. And I'm so glad that you guys can use these videos to help you out and make the collection the way you want it to be. Once I realized I wanted to be a collector, I've looked up so many videos trying to figure out the best ways, the best tips, the best tricks to organizing your collection and being able to display everything and being able to get new items out and switch out like your shelves and everything. And it is such a hard thing to do. And I feel like this system for me personally has worked out so well. So if you're starting to be a collector, if you are a collector and just would like to get more organized, I hope these tips have helped you out. So that is my Disney closet. Now whenever I do room tours, I can actually show it to you guys. I can show you guys my popcorn buckets. You guys can see them all more current. So now looking over here at the rest of my room, we have my little food display out. If you guys did not know, Splash Mountain and Haunted Mansion anniversaries are happening and are coming up, so I have my Haunted Mansion and Splash Mountain displays. And lastly, over here by my bed, we kind of have just some random little knitted plush that I collect and the Disney food little display. For the rest of my park display, we have some Vinylmations and magic bands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Again, I hope this helped you out. If you are a collector, I am in love with my room right now. I'm so glad I got everything organized and back up to date for you guys, and I absolutely love doing room tour videos. I plan on doing my next one kind of later in the year, closer to Christmas time, so you guys can see those displays, shelf setups, and other tips for displaying and storing your collection. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to check out more of my collection videos, haul videos, park videos, all down below. And to stay up to date with my collection, make sure you guys are subscribed, like this video. It really helps me out and I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!